Hello and welcome to the Efteling Hotel. Today we're going to have a full look around what this hotel has to offer, along with a room tour of a 3-person comfort room. So come on, let's take a look and see what there is at the Efteling Hotel. When it comes to location, the Efteling Hotel is a brilliant option, located just a couple of minutes walk from the park. Let's now see what they got going on inside. Lobby for the hotel, place for the kids to watch TV, some toilets, heights for the rides. And at the moment it all has a bit of a Christmas theme going on. And all of the different times as well, with the Villa Volta clock being upside down. Down in the lobby area you can find a nice microwave with a chair. I suppose you want to heat up any baby food. And here we've got the restaurant, which we'll be checking out for both breakfast and dinner. We'll put in some clips of that. At the front of the lobby, we've also got the bar, which serves lunch. So there's a small gift shop just by the foyer. Got some wands, jewels, socks, a jester. Postcards, some drinks and glasses, the same hand wash that's in the room, unicorn, some board games, notebooks, umbrellas, and then a couple of essentials if you've forgotten anything. Out in the hallways, love the addition of the Efteling logo on the carpet. Overall it's quite a small hotel, sort of make it around the whole floor very quickly. But as you can see, there's an array of different kinds of rooms. There's some suites there. And then located in the middle, you've got the lifts. Okay, so this is a tour of room 605. So as you come in the door, you've got some space there to hang coats and shelf to put any luggage. Not a bad sized room at all. Got some great little additions, so starting off over here, got a full-size mirror, along with really good space for some wardrobes, shelves, a safe, and a fridge. Oh, that's a great little touch. So here's some little shoes as well, hiding inside the cupboard. Moving on over, we've got the waste paper, which is in the shape of some shoes. So one for waste, another one for plastic. Nice little kettle over there with some tea and a TV hiding behind the curtain. It's a 3-people room, so there's the third bed along with a double over there. Loving the extra little features with the lights, they're great with all the wings going on. And here's like a little table that has a game on it with the pieces as well, so dice and 3 pieces, and also the full rules and instructions as well. That's really good. Another table over here, and a bedside lamp which is in the shape of a dog. and the Efteling logo there in the middle of the headboard, along with a nice backlight. Looking out. I suppose not the greatest view, but a bit of a theme park view over there. You can see the Thai Rising Temple in the distance. There's another table over here. Along with some plug sockets next to the bed, and a little mouse hiding down there on the floor as well, just behind the bed. A shelf, and another mirror with the wings. Thermostat here, and then going into the bathroom. Yeah, very nice bathroom. Got a nice compass on the floor over there. A nice big sink, mirror with a light, towels. I'm not too sure what that says, but if you look in the mirror, it's then the right way round, so I think it's written the wrong way around on the wall, but it reflects into the mirror. Pretty sure it's written in Dutch, so absolutely no idea what that says. Got some hand soap, more plug sockets, and a very decent sized shower, complete with body wash and shampoo. Okay, that is our room at the Efteling Hotel. So breakfast was included in the rate of the hotel, and there was quite a good selection. There was loads of pastries, donuts, muffins, breads. There's also a good selection of cheeses and meats. There was cereals and lots of orange juice, apple juice and milk. Also some milkshakes as well, chocolate and strawberry. The selection was mostly continental, but there were a few hot options such as eggs, sausages and pancakes as well. However, the best thing was probably the characters that came around at breakfast. So just come back to the hotel. I'm going to check out the bar for lunch, see what food they've got on offer. So just take a look at the lunch menu here, and everything seems to be vegetarian. Doesn't appear to be anything on the menu that's not. So 2 options, some food served from 12 till 4, and then dinners 5 till 10. The dinner stuff there is non-vegetarian things, but at lunch everything is vegetarian friendly by the look of it. We've gone for the toasted grilled cheese toasties, which is some fries and a cheese toasty with some salad. That actually looks really good. This is just a look at the restaurant for dinner. And the menu. It's both kids and adults. Starters, I've gone for the carpaccio. Jamie's gone for the meze platter. And from the kids menu, we've got the tomato soup. The carpaccio was very good. It was really well presented and a massive portion. The meze was also very nice. A good selection of different dips there. And the tomato soup was very hearty. For mains, we've gone for the steak, which looks very well presented. So I just finished up with the mains. They were not as good as the starters. There's no option on how to have the steak. Come out medium well, if anything. A bit on the cold side as well, also quite a small portion. Was nicely presented, but yeah, not as good as the starters, unfortunately. And lastly, up for dessert, we've got the yogurt, the Dame Blanche, and the cheese board over there. Looks really well presented, so we'll see how it goes. So pouring over the chocolate. The dessert was very standard. Yeah, nothing particularly special there. Yeah, just alright, I would say. So just finished up with dinner in the Efteling Hotel restaurant. Quite expensive for what it was. 130 euros for 2 adults, set meals and a child's, and a couple of drinks. Probably not worth 130 euros either. The quality wasn't as good. But yeah, probably won't go back there again, but it was interesting to try. So we've just spent 2 nights at the Efteling Hotel here at the Efteling theme park, and overall I'd say it was quite a good experience for our stay here. The theming is actually really good, especially throughout the rooms. There's lots of nice little touches there, especially with the board game and also the sort of mouse hidden behind the bed and the shoes hidden in the wardrobe. Really like those additional little touches. Not everything is great at the hotel. The restaurants could be a little bit better, particularly for dinner, I would say, of an evening. We found the food quality to be on the poorer side, especially for the sort of price that we paid as well. It was like 130 euros for the 3 of us with drinks, so a little bit pricey, and the quality wasn't great there. The lobby and everything on offer there is really, really good. We liked that. As I said, the rooms were great. A couple of things could have maybe been improved in the rooms. There was a couple of areas that looked a little bit older, maybe need a bit of a touch up, but overall they were really, really nice. The overall experience that we got with the hotel we thought was pretty good. The 30 minutes early entry is absolutely brilliant. Managed to get a few rides done before the park even opens, and also start heading over to some of the bigger attractions as well when the park opens at 10. You can get there quite quickly because you're already in the theme park, so that's probably the biggest bonus that we think of staying here. However, the biggest thing that could probably be improved upon here at the hotel is the lifts, especially in the mornings. They're just not designed for the size of the hotel, and it's really, really busy and tough to get down, so make sure that you head down early. Overall, I think we'd still recommend this hotel. Perfect location, which is probably one of the best things. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you later.